Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert the text into Word documents. In Word 2007, inserting any text into a document is done by placing a insertion point where we want it added. Then begin typing our text. When we are entering the text, it will follow the default formatting settings selected in the Word. Notice that we will get the font in Calibri font and specific font size, font styles, alignments and so on. And notice that when we reach the end of the line, automatically text will be moved to the next line. And also when we hit enter, it will come to next line and start from the same margin. And if you want to add some space, hit spacebar continuously or simply press tab to add indent to the paragraph. And we can use left, right, up and down arrows on our keyboard to move through the document. And to move it fast word by word, by pressing Ctrl button, hit left and right arrows. And if you want to come to the starting of the line, hit Home button from your keyboard. Similarly, to come to the end of the line, hit End button. And if you want to place the insertion point at the end of this document with a single click, please press Ctrl and hit End from your keyboard. Similarly, to bring this to the beginning of the document, press Ctrl and hit Home. And if you want to delete the words, put an insertion point and hit backspace. Notice that it will delete the words before the insertion point. Similarly, we can hit delete from our keyboard, which will remove the text after the insertion point. And if you want to highlight the text, simply click and drag by pressing left mouse button. Once it is highlighted, hit delete from your keyboard. And we can also use shift and arrow keys to select the text character by character. By pressing shift button, hit left and right arrows. Then it will select the text character by character. And if you want to select word by word, press shift Ctrl and hit left and right arrows. Then it will select the text word by word. We can also copy text from other parts of document or different applications and insert them into our document. Here I have some data in Notepad. Select all the data by pressing Ctrl A, and to copy this, use Ctrl C shortcut key. Again come to the Word. To paste this, place the insertion point where the text will be inserted, and then right click, select to paste. Then the text will be inserted into that area of our document, and we can click anywhere in the middle to insert the text. Instead of this, if you want to type and replace the text over as we type in our new text, we need to turn on overtype mode. For this, come to Office button, click on Word options, come to Advanced. In editing options, please check use the insert key to control overtype mode, and also check use overtype mode. Click OK. Now let's try to enter some text. Then the new text will be added over the old one. And to insert the text to the existing one, we need to turn on insert mode. For that, right click on status bar. In this, please select to overtype. Then it will show the overtype tab in status bar. Simply click on this. Then we will get the insert mode. Again, enter some text. And this time it will not add the text over the old text. Like this, we can insert the text into the documents created in Microsoft Office Word 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.